Listener, are you absolutely sure you're okay? I mean, after witnessing something like that, I'm sure you would be tired and traumatized. So you really want to help Killua. I get that. He is your lover after all. I wouldn't blame you. But you haven't taken a rest yet. I'm very sure you deserve at least a few minutes of sleep. You've been up for 4 hours. I know. I know you can't rest now knowing that Killua is out there protecting, well, whatever is left of your house, I guess. But he's also fighting for you. I know how much that would hurt. To know that you won't be able to do anything. But really, I felt that too. I know how it feels. I watched my clan die brutally. And I don't want you to witness the same thing. And I definitely don't want you to go through the same pain I went through. So, anyways, I also thought, that's gone. I'll go get the door. You sit here, okay? Good evening, Gon. I'm glad you made it. Hey, Kurapika. Of course I would come here. Why wouldn't I? So is Killua here? Is he okay? Gon, slow down. He's not here. I'm sorry. He's not here? Okay then. Well, is the listener here? Yes. They are? Okay. Where are they? The living room. Living room. Yeah, got it. Hey, listener, hey. How are you? Oh, God, I shouldn't be asking that. I'm sorry. Oh, man, you look tired. Didn't Kurapika tell you to rest? Or something? Looks like he gave you tea, but... Did he tell you to rest? He did. Well, why didn't you listen? You need your energy for when we go visit Killua. Or help him. Look, I know how much you really want to help my best friend. Of course. You love him. But you need your energy if you really do want to help him. You know that, right? Okay. Hey, no. Hey, don't cry, please, don't cry. Hey, okay, you don't have to worry so much about Killua, okay? You know, he can take care of himself. I mean, for all my time being his best friend, I know that. I mean, he managed to take care of himself throughout his whole life. Even when we decided to part. I went my way, he went his. But that doesn't mean we stopped being best friends. Yet, he's over here and he found you. He's really happy that he found you. He sometimes even calls me and talks a lot about you. Yeah, of course. But, hey, I can't stop you from wanting to go there. Of course I wouldn't. Why would I? Are you sure you want to go, though? Not that I'm underestimating what you can do, but I'm just worried. What if, like, something happens to you, and Killua would be really sad? I don't want Killua to be sad. He needs you. And you need him. Are you sure you're up for this? You are? Okay, that's good. Okay, so we should go. And listener, I'm sorry to interrupt, but we really have to go. Okay, we're coming. You ready? Alright then, let's go. We shouldn't keep him waiting after all. He can be impatient sometimes. Okay, let's go. It's only been a year. How the hell? I know I can't beat him. So... No. Hell no. I'm not giving up. There's no way I'm giving up. Hello, May. I was afraid of you once. I'm not afraid of you anymore. But I can't. Oh, shit. Damn it, what the hell? Oh, God. Oh, I'm bleeding out. Okay. I got this. Wyan, please be okay. Oh, gone. Who is? I can't see anything.